Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and sound. Today I am sending my next video of exercise 5.2. But before starting that exercise, we need to learn about the parallel lines cut by transversal. So, this is the definition of first is transversal line. Now, what is transversal line? A transversal is a line that intersects two or more lines at different points. Now, as you can see the diagram, two lines are parallel and one line, slanting line, that intersecting these two lines. So, this slanting line will be transversal line. So, this is the meaning of transversal line. Now in day-to-day life there are so many examples of transversal line. You can see this gate, there is a transversal line, and there are four lines parallel and three transversal lines which intersecting these four lines. Now this is the another example of transversal line. This railing, stairs railing, in which two lines, red lines are parallel and one yellow line is called transversal line. Now after transversal line there are some angles. So let us learn about the angles. This is the another example of transversal line or parallel lines. So there are some numbers written on the angles. Angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 angles. A and B parallel lines and T line is a transversal. Now in these angles there is some specific names of these angles. So if we say interior and exterior angles. Now what are interior? जो inside हैं, and what are exterior? That are outside. So angle 1 and 2 are exterior angle. Angle 7 and 8 also are exterior angle because they are on exterior side. Now angle 3, 4, 5, 6. These angles are called interior angles because they are in the interior of parallel lines. Now next is corresponding angles. The second one, two angles that lies on the same side of the transversal in corresponding position. Now look at the figure. The two dots are there. That these two dots are the example of corresponding angles which are on the same side. Now look at the another example. Two lines are parallel and one is a transversal line in this example. Now there are so many corresponding angles. So let us find out. Angle 6 is corresponding to angle 2. 6 and 2 both are in the same direction. So 6 and 2 are called corresponding angle. Angle 1 is corresponding to angle 5. Look at the direction. Angle 1 and 5 both have the same direction. So angle 1 is corresponding to angle 5. Next is angle 3 is corresponding to angle 7 because again the direction same. So angle 3, angle 4 both are corresponding angles. Next is angle 4 and 8. Angle 4 is corresponding to A. So in this way you can find out corresponding angles. Next is alternative interior angle. Now what are alternative interior angle? Interior means inside angles. So 1, 2, 3, 4 these all are in interior angle. Now what is the meaning of alternative? Opposite sides. So angle 1 is alternative interior angle to angle 2. Angle 3 is alternative interior to angle 4. Now let's learn the definition of alternative interior angles. Now look at the third angle, alternative interior angles. Interior angles that lies on the opposite side of the transversal. Now look at the dots. opposite sides are there. So these type of angles are called alternative interior angle. Next is alternative exterior angle. Exterior means outside. Now exterior angles that lies on opposite side of the transversal. Look at the dots. Outside angles and the opposite directions. So opposite sides. So these type of angles are called alternative exterior angle. Now look at the another figure of alternative exterior angle. Angle 1 is alternative exterior to angle 8. 1 is opposite to 8 and exterior means outside. So outside angles are 1, 2, 7 and 8. So 1 is alternative exterior to angle 8 and 2 is alternative exterior to angle 7. Next is supplementary angles. Now two angles whose sum is 180 degree, that are called supplementary angle. Look at the dots. If you add these two angles, the sum is 180 degree. So these kind of angles are called supplementary angles. Next is vertical opposite angles, where cross is making and the opposite angles are called vertical opposite angles. Two angles whose sides form opposite ray. These kind of angles are called vertical opposite angle. Next is consecutive interior angles, or you can say pair of interior angle on the same side of the transversal. Angles that lies on the same side of the transversal between two lines is called consecutive interior angle. Same side पर है और interior है. So these two dots are the example of this consecutive interior angle. Now look at the another example of pair of interior angles or consecutive interior angles. Angle 3 is pair of interior angles are angle 3 and 6, and on the right side angle 4 and angle 5 are the pair of interior angles. You have to write down all the angles, types of angle in your notebook. Thank you.